be doing a what's in my purse video.
Like a G.
And I have a Steve Madden backpack. I also have a Bessie Johnson black bag. Lately I've been into a lot of black bags, but we're gonna get started. It's super small. I got this at Marshall's for like $25 in Lakewood or Inglewood. It was by the Forum, and it's so pretty. I love it so much. Oh, I used to have a pink thing, but I guess it's on the other bag. So the first pocket has, I believe, a bunch of coupons. My sister's in the room. I have a pin that Jeremiah got me. It goes like that and whatnot. I don't know if you could see that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna blind myself. And it goes like that. Oh, and it's like a stylus at the bottom of the pen. I have a, what is this? A clothing pin, I think. That's what it's called. Few receipts because they have coupons at the bottom. My sister's trying to make me laugh or whatnot.
No, I'm trying to do the Macarena in the mirror.
Oh, and then I have a coupon. A bunch of pink Victoria's Secret coupons and Bath & Body Works coupons. I'm so sad because I went to Ulta today and I bought like $70 worth of makeup and I left my coupon at home. I'm sad because I forgot about it. And then in the main pouch, there's a compartment right here with two, and then in the back right here there's a zipper. So I'm gonna do the two pouches right here, and I have some like floss I got in, I believe, like a subscription box. And I think that's about it for those two pouches. I don't think I have anything in there yet. Then I have my wallet. It's not Michael Kors, what the heck, it's a Coach wallet. You know, yeah, all my information is in there. But in this part I don't have change, but it's like a bunch of coupons and like stamp cards, like when you go to restaurants and stuff, cards, Starbucks and Cane's rewards card. Then I have my keys. My mother-in-law, she got me this. Me and Jeremiah have matching ones. I just have my pepper spray. I used to have a cat keychain, but I had to throw it away on New Year's because Universal Studios wouldn't let me have it. And then I have my two keys. This thing when I went to Newport. Oh my gosh. This thing when I went to Newport Beach. And then the other side says Jeremiah. And then this, what's it called? And then I have this movies rewards thing, Plenty, and Hallmark. I have like this like ring light thing. It's not really working because the batteries are dying, but I got that on Amazon. Lip balm. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Then my Vans little backpack. I have like an obsession with backpacks. Even my backpack for school was black. I don't know. I just keep changing there. Then I have lotion and perfume. Then I have my earphones. Yay. But I just got wireless headphones. So that's the plug. Then I have this thing with like ponytail holders, and I have candy. Oh, I found change in my bag. Then in the back, I don't know what's in here. I have my Fenty Beauty lip gloss and a hair tie, which is supposed to go in that little thingy, and a band-aid because I like to hurt myself a lot at work. And then I have this mirror when I want to touch up my makeup. And I usually have my lipstick in there that I use for the day, but this is what I have for my mirror. It's The Nightmare Before Christmas. You can't really tell, but that's the logo on the back. And then Jeremiah ended up getting me that at Hot Topic as a little gift. And that's everything in my purse. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to keep it quick and simple, but yeah, that's what I keep in my bag.